Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is 1,2-bis methoxycarbonyl cyclohex 1Na, a cyclohexene ring with a double bond between C1 and C2, each carbon bearing a CO2CH3 ester group. Moving on to the next step. Reaction with H2, 1 mole, Pt, catalytic hydrogenation with 1 mole of H2 over platinum reduces the C1 is equal to C2 double bond. Both H atoms are delivered to the same face of the double bond, SYN addition. Moving on to the next step. After hydrogenation, C1 and C2 each bear a CO2CH3 group and H, newly added, and 2 ring carbons. Both C1 and C2 become stereocenters. And for the final step, SYN, CIS, addition of H2 delivers both hydrogens to the same face. Because the molecule has a plane of symmetry, the two substituents at C1 and C2 are identical. Both are CO2CH3. SYN addition from either face gives the same compound, the one where both CO2CH3 groups end up on the same side, CIS relationship. The product has C1 and C2 both bearing CO2CH3 groups in a CIS configuration on the cyclohexane ring. Because C1 and C2 carry identical substituents, CO2CH3, H, and the ring, the molecule possesses an internal plane of symmetry, making it a meso compound. The two stereocenters are of opposite configuration, R and S, but are mirror images of each other within the same molecule, resulting in no net optical activity. B. Racemic mixture. A racemic mixture would result from anti-addition or a non-stereospecific process giving equal R and S as enantiomers. SYN addition to this symmetric substrate gives only the meso form, not a racemic mixture. C. Diastereomers. A single product, meso, is formed, not a mixture of diastereomers. D. Optically active. The meso compound has an internal plane of symmetry and is optically inactive. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.